One day a lion was sleeping in the forest. The lion was big and strong. All the animals feared the lion, apart from one mouse. The mouse was playing near the lion. She ran onto the lion's nose and he woke up. He was angry. The lion lifted the mouse to his mouth and said, I'm going to eat you. The mouse said, Please, Mr. Lion, let me go. I am your friend. One day I will help you. The lion laughed. You, you are very small. How can you help me? But he let the mouse go. 1 month later, the lion was walking in the forest. A net caught him. The lion was in a trap. He rode and rode, but no one came. The lion was afraid. That night, the lion was still in the net. His legs hurt, his head hurt. He was very tired. Suddenly, he heard someone say, Friend, I am here. I will help you. The lion looked down and saw the mouse. You, how can you help me? Asked the lion. I am in this tree. I can't move. What can you do? The mouse used her teeth to cut the net. She was small, but her teeth were very sharp. Soon the lion was free. The lion was very happy. He said, Thank you, Miss Mouse. You are my friend, and I am your friend. You are welcome, Mr. Lion, said the mouse. Friends come in all sizes.